Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So all membership websites, directory websites come with it all-in-one SEO pack. It's included with all sites, so it's already been applied to your website. In the back end, we can go in and have a look and see where that's located. If you go to My Content and SEO Templates, you can see the page is packed with SEO templates. So that's one area that the SEO packs apply to. You can also add SEO content as well to your static pages. So if we just click to edit one, we can go in the SEO settings section and you can add meta tags for your website and also social media sharing tabs if you're sharing content throughout social networks. So there's lots of places where you can add SEO content, but that all-in-one pack comes with the brilliant directories, so it's included free with all websites. So I hope you found that video useful and thanks for watching.